Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be like a couple of brands. So you have got TKMAXX, ASDA, POUNDLAND and Boots in here. So there's a good mixture of things in this haul today. But before I get into the products in this bag and tell you the prices, I just want to go through the nitty gritty stuff first, which is, if you like the video or the products or the advice or anything in this video, then let me know by giving it a massive thumbs up. You can tell me what you like, other people then can like it, other people can see it, and the video will go around, so that's definitely good and I can bring more to you. Subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button on the top of my page, then you'll be subscribe to my YouTube journey and the Love family, and also hit the bell notification because that will tell you when I've uploaded a new video and you can be notified. Comment down below on the video, tell me what you like, tell me what feedback I can do to improve these videos, so let me know down below and I will 100% comment back to you and like your comment every single time. Check out my other two social medias on Instagram, so you have tazwells12 and tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, whatever you would like to do, please, that'd be great. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands that I am going to mention. It's just out of my own money, what I bought when I went shopping, but it's not sponsored in any way. But now we will get into the POUNDLAND, ASDA, TKMAXX and Boots haul. I'm going to start with ASDA first because there's literally two items, and our first one is this. So I looked in like the recipes. At the moment we're liking these little recipes in these packets. We got one from Aldi a little while ago and it was a sausage casserole, which we're having tonight, and it's really yummy. I had a look in Asda and see if they had anything else, and then they had this slow cooker one, which was chicken provelka. I don't know how to pronounce that, I'm so sorry, but that's what it is there. It tells you on the back that you place peppers, chicken into a slow cooker pot, mix the seasoning with tomato puree and stir it into the pot. Cook for 4 hours on high and then 8 hours on low. It's cooked, remove lid, stir through and stand for 5 minutes before thing. I thought we'd try that out, see what it's like. And it's got a really long date of the 28th of the 4th, 2024. So I thought we'd try that out, and that was only 89p, I think. Pretty good for like a meal, isn't it? The other item I picked up was some like glow stick bracelets. Like I said, I've got a hen do I've got to go to, and I picked up these. There is about 12-13 of us going. So these are the glow bracelets, mega glow. There's 5 like rings in there, 5 pieces, and they're 20 centimeters each. So I got a blue packet, a pink and a green, just to have like something extra that we can use on the night of the actual physical hen do while we're away. For only £1 each. Thought these were the only ones I could find. I looked in Poundland and they don't have anything. Go to Asda if you want, but I could have got some off the internet, but I just wanted to get them there and then, if that makes sense. There was one thing I got in Boots, and I've been looking for a little while. I looked a while ago back and could not find it for the life of me. Went in there, tried again, and I got the flawless filter like Charlotte Tilbury dupe, and this is from collection Gorgeous Glow Filter Finish Complexion Boosting Primer and Illuminator, and I got mine in fair medium 2 because that was all they had. I like show you very quickly. That's what it kind of looks like. Try that out, see what it's like, and go from there. It was $6.99, which I thought was quite good for like a try. Like, this is all plastic, by the way, and this is all glass, so it's nice, and it's not like a very dark shade. I've actually tried it on the back of my hand and it wasn't that dark, so to be fair, I'm really happy with that. So try this out. Apparently it gives 3 uses, gives a soft focused dimension under foundation, dot and blend onto cheeks and highlight points of the face as highlighter, wear it on its own for suitable all glow over glow, shake well before use. This will also be in a test tutorial review video because I really want to test this before I go on holiday to see if I can undertake it. But yeah, it's coming, but it was £6.99. This item from TKMAXX, it's a bit of a random item, but I saw it in our local like Andover branch, but I got this one in Reading. I realised it was going to go on sale so quickly. I just didn't think garden stuff would that quick. And then I saw some people like looking down like the reduced bit, and they already had one in their hand, and they actually did have both in their hand. And then luckily they put the other one down. I don't know if they were deciding like the best one out of the two, or they were deciding to buy both of them, but they put one of them down. I looked over to this, which I will put a picture in because I took one of them, like the main picture in the Nova store. I will slip that in at the end, but the item looks like this basically. So it's hard to tell because it's basically all wrapped up. Mobile for the garden. It's metal, copper, like style of like metal, and then basically all the hanging things have these mirrors down. Someone actually found one of these at a car boot sale, which doesn't surprise me because you could actually generally find one of these at a car boot sale or like a charity shop. So there's always that sort of like option to happen. But I thought, you know what, actually I will get this because it was something I really did like. It's from the Crafted in India, and they say that there's a code at the top, and this has got code 1. I can't remember what they mean. Every code means the same, but if you get a number 2 it means that it's a real good bargain. This was originally, I don't know if you can see it like underneath, $14.99, and then there's another one under there that says 12, and then these were only down to like £9. So there was 2 there, but unfortunately I missed out on both of them. Luckily they put this one back, so I had this one, but all the others are wrapped. So hopefully none of them are broken. But I paid £9 for it and I'm really happy. So I will slot a picture of it in because it's really pretty, and we're trying to do our garden up on like the cheapest of things. And we want to do it up at some point and put all these things in the garden so they look really pretty, but this will just have to be stored away to now until that happens. Now I'm going to go on to bits from Poundland. There's quite a different few bits here. There's quite a few makeup bits, so I'll put them together. There's some little boring bits, so I'll go through them first. I just got some sticky like notepads. There's 4 sets. You get a yellow, a green, a pink and a blue. There's 80 sticky sheets per pad, all sorts of colours. They're recyclable packaging, and these are great for like work. So obviously I'm working from home on my normal day job, and these are just handy. I probably could get them from work, but the Pound shop is just a cheap £1 for like these. They last forever. Go through Post-it notes quite a lot. Just picked up a packet of them. Then I picked up some hair grips for holiday. I've probably got loads of hair grips, but I thought I'd pick a new packet up. But what I've done is I've shared some with my mum. There was 50 medium grips in here. Get a grip. They're from Poundland's like own sort of range. They're all black, got like a nice little coating on the end, and I kept like 3 sections. I don't know if I split this one down or not. I kept 3 sections, and then I think I pulled some of these out, and then my mum had the top 2, so we both had some like new clips for holiday, so they're great and they were only £1. Just picked up some of my favourite pens. So these ones are like a grey sort of black design, and these are the metal ball pens. There's a 3-pack, and I absolutely like love these pens to write with. They're so nice. I've raved about these so many times on here. I think they're really good for the mani. The fact that there's Pound and there's 3 in there, and they are such a good pen like for work again. Bargain. I grabbed some tissue paper. I just grabbed some silver tissue paper. There's a 4-pack and it's just silver. This was £1, I just grabbed this because I've got some things I need to wrap up. I've got 2 more left to go. Just got this so they look a bit more nicer when I give them out. But yeah, I thought that's just perfect for that. And then the other 2 sheets I can use for other things. Picked up some Isobuffing Gel. This is from Mentholum. It's up there. This is a rapid pain relief, anti-inflammatory, back pain, muscular pain, strains, sprains and inflammation. So I use this if my shoulder's really hurting, or if like I pull sometimes there if I overstretch, or if you overstretch somewhere like your back or something. It's really good. And I got another one to take on holiday because they're literally £1. There's a really good amount in here, so you get that, and it's 50g, so that'd be good enough. Poundland did run out of these and we did have to get in Savers. I think Savers was a little bit more money, but that Poundland had them stocked up, so I got another one. Then I picked up 2 more balloons, like party balloons. So I picked it up in the rose gold and I picked it up in the silver. It's a hip hip hooray, includes a straw, metallic air filled balloon banner kit. So it just says party, and then I just got a silver one. I got these again for the hen do because they're only £1 each. Like, they're really hard to find. We've got quite a few decorations now, but because we're staying in quite a house, like quite a big house, there's like 13, 14 of us. I need kind of like a decoration to fill it up, if that makes sense. I grab these just for £1, just so it makes it feel like we are on a hen do. I've got loads of little bits. I will try and film that weekend for you because it'll probably be a really good weekend. Probably like film like some decorations and stuff that I got, but most of the decorations are in these hauls. Now we're going to go on to the makeup bits. Like, right, makeup bits in Poundland are a bit like this. So there's some bits, every bit that used to come in to Poundland used to be £1, like foundations, whatever. I've got like quite a good selection from Poundland. I've done view testing tutorial videos on them. I've still got some other items I still need to do, but I picked up the ones that were £1 that I thought they were quite good. I'm not picking anything up that's more than £1 unless I really want it, but some of them are like £4 or £5. Still a bit extortionate, but if it's a product you use, it may be cheaper for you. 4 products I picked up from L'Oreal, which I thought was good. 3 of them were like lipsticks and one of them's a nail varnish. So I'll go for the nail varnish. Like I said, I am going on holiday. I picked this one up because it was like the best nude in there. I always pick like nude ones up, or pick like greys or blacks or anything sort of like that, so I know that I'm going to use quite a lot. From L'Oreal Paris, which is obviously a good make. It's normally really expensive, but it's nice like pinky nude, and I loved it because it's in this tiny bottle. So I'm trying to only take a few nail varnishes on holiday, probably like a black, a beige, probably this pink because it's in a tiny little bottle, and then a clear, just in case. I am going to do my nails before I go, but in case any of that chips, because I did them one time before I went and then it chipped. Luckily I had nail varnish removers and nail varnishes, I could do them again. You've always got like top it up and stuff. It was great for the little tool. And this is in the shade 107 Beige Homey. Yeah. Then they had some great little lip ones in there. First one is L'Oreal Paris Glam Shine Brilliance Volume Effect Glamour. I think it's got lip plumper in it, and this is in the shade 403 Majestic Rose Glow. So it's like this nice pinky sort of pale pink, which I thought was nice. It was the nicest one there, so that was that one. There was another one like this. I love the bottle. L'Oreal Paris Glam Shine 6 hours Gloss Brilliance for 6 hours, and this is in 106 Forever Young. So it's just like this pinky sort of colour like that. Then the final one I found was L'Oreal Paris, but it's got Casserie. Maybe it's like a sort of joint like something L'Oreal's done with a joint, like an influencer or something. And this is 505 Creamy and Lacy. And it's quite interesting because it's got the lipstick around it, and it must have like a lip balm in it to make it really shiny. I am considering taking this on holiday. So I have tried all three and they're really, really nice. I will try and do a testing tutorial of all these because it'd be good to show you guys. And L'Oreal Paris, these are probably like still in the shop, but they probably made them into a different design or something. But I thought all these for £1 were really brilliant sort of bargain. Unfortunately, this has come to the end of the TKMAXX, Boots, Poundland and ASDA haul. I just had to remember what they all were. But that was all the products. I hope that was a good mix and match of there. There is going to be some review testing tutorials out there. I am trying my best to do as many as I possibly can. And I do pre-film a lot of my videos. So if you hear about me on a holiday and I've been, it's pre-filmed. It's pre-filmed. I have to pre-film because this is not my job. This is just my hobby and I have a daytime job. And sometimes you just don't feel like filming and doing all this. There was a good little mixture in there of like party, beauty, home, garden, lots of different mixture in there. So I hope you have liked the video. If you have, then do not forget to give it a massive thumbs up because it tells me that you like it, tells me that other people will like it, tells me what you want to see more of and other people can like it and the video can go around too. So definitely give that thumbs up. Subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button at the top of my main page, and then you will be joined to the YouTube channel tazwells12 and you will be connected to the family. Hit the bell notification as well to be notified when I've uploaded a new video. Comment down below if you like the video or any feedback. I will 100% comment back to you and like the comment every single time. Check out my other two social medias, which is both on Instagram, tazwells12 and tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands I have mentioned. This is just what I brought out of my own money. I love finding a bit of a bargain, just what I wanted to get, so no sponsored at all. But we have unfortunately come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching and thank you for supporting. Please take care. Have a lovely day or evening and I'll see you soon, guys. And thanks for watching and thanks for supporting. Bye.